Okay. I guess we're at this park here. We've got a baseball field over there. This is a jump track. I don't know what it's called. Guy entered a race to help people build this place. And we are going to go start it now. This is not part of it. We started right there. Whee! This is where I like to start. I'm Mr. Bike.
Show you how to do it? I think you got it.
I think I got it. Not. Oh, darn pedals.
Our bike.
Whew! Bug on there. Woo! Hand up. And up. Oh my gosh. And over here. And go up. And then go up. And then go up. And then go ah! Literally.
Good work.
That's as far as I can make it.
Shred-tastic.
My bike's right there, one parked. It's cool, right?
Fun, but you got to start somewhere, right?
Pawpaw, you try. You try, Pawpaw. You try.
Well, I don't know, but
I did it. If I can do it, you can do it. You can do it. You got a helmet. You're not gonna die.
Olivia, GoPro, stop recording.